This is the car Bluetooth music receiver. This is the box. Here's the device. Charging cable. Some paperwork. To use this, you have to plug this in and charge it for some time. After charging this device, plug it on, insert this adapter, connect the receiver into the device into which you want to receive Bluetooth signals, and then you are good to go. On Bluetooth, and then go to the Bluetooth settings, and then select the Bluetooth receiver. And you can go play songs. Thus you can convert any device into a Bluetooth receiver. You can use your normal stereo system in your car and convert it into a hands-free device with this small device. Thank you for watching. God bless you.